Breaking news out of the United States. Let's get back to that. The Supreme Court is now allowing the full enforcement of U.S. President Donald Trump's travel ban. The president will now be able to restrict entry for people from 6 Muslim-majority countries, even if they've got a relationship with somebody in the United States. Mirriam Seddiq is my guest, a volunteer attorney with the Dulles Justice Coalition. Mirriam, good to have you here with us. What do you make of this this decision?
Well, we know it just came out a few minutes ago, so I had a chance to scan it. And actually what it says is it stays the injunction from the Fourth and the Ninth Circuit decisions. So for your Canadian viewers and listeners, you know, our courts are divided up into various circuits. Each circuit has the opportunity to make its own decisions based on cases that are brought before it. The Fourth and Ninth Circuits had both said that the implementation of this last travel ban was going to be stayed. And the Supreme Court said, we're not going to stay it. You are allowed to go through and implement the travel bans until the Fourth and the Ninth Circuits make their decisions and their final orders on this. So this isn't the end of the road by a long shot for those of us fighting this discriminatory ban.
And for people who come from these countries, what's it going to mean in the short term, Mirriam?
It's probably not terribly different from what it's meant since the beginning of this fight. You know, we had a pretty long reprieve from any sort of travel ban, but visa issuance has slowed down drastically for everybody, not just for people from these various countries. So, you know, the hardship is definitely still there, and they're going to be prohibited from coming in. But I think that the slowdown has already occurred. We just haven't been seeing much of it. And we won't see as much of it as we did, say, for example, in January through the initial travel ban.
Do you think the Trump White House, Mirriam, is going to characterize this as a clear victory?
Absolutely. 100%. But if you actually take what they got versus what they were asking for, it's maybe 1/15 of what they were looking for at the beginning. But yes, the Trump administration classifies. They have a wonderful way of spinning everything in their favor.
Mirriam, great to have you with us for immediate reaction to this story. We'll keep our eye on it. Thank you.
Bye-bye.